So here is my Math IA presentation. So does spending a lot of cash translate to more wins and points the following year? Nowadays, there are a lot of players who transfer to another team from their first soccer team. They transfer to another team because there are a lot of reasons, such as they wanted a better career. It means that they want to play in more fame and higher salary. Second, the player can be transferred to another team because they play badly in their team, and they want to find a better team that suits them. Plus, the other team wanted the player, so the owner of the club will do anything to get the player to play for their team. A lot of players usually wanted to transfer to a team that has a great history and a team that was always being consistent and played well in every championship they play. So, statistic is a form of mathematical analysis that uses quantified models, representation, and synopsis for a given set of experimental data or real-life studies. Statistics studies methodologies to gather, review, analyze, and draw conclusions from data. In soccer, it is usually essential for analyzing and understanding the game. Statistics is where data numbers are collected and sorted. The way that number is sorted can determine the success of a team or predict future results. Statistics allow us to extract real meaning and results from our experience, and the ability to understand statistics and how it works is crucial for you to become an informed member of our society. For fans, statistics can help analyze how their favorite players and teams are doing. From a player standpoint, it can understand their individual strengths and areas where they may need improvement. Also, statistics can diagnose potential performance problems in player. Coaches typically look at the change in statistics over a period of time. My research question is, does spending a lot of cash during the transfer window increase their winning rate and translate to more points the following year? And the aim is to inform people that is it true that when a soccer club spend a lot of cash during the transfer window to buy player, it affects more points in the following year of the competition? So my method is, first I will search about the summer transfer window. There are two times when soccer clubs can buy. First is summer and second is winter. Right now I will record 20 data about the player transfer in summer transfer window, and does it really help the team to have more points. By using statistics, I am able to compare the team's point last year before they bought new players and after they bought new players, and how it affects the performance of the club. So the process is by compare the average winning rate of those 20 clubs and see if there is any increase in their winning rate or not after they bought the players. So here are the results. As you can see, in the left is the name of the clubs, then players they bought, how much they spent, how many wins they got last season, how many wins they got after they bought players, and their average win rate and their decrease or increase in points. So my analysis is that based on my research above, not every club who spend a lot of money in the summer transfer window will guarantee 2 more points or increase in winning rate in the following year. We can see on the table that the clubs who have an increase in winning rate are 6 clubs. And there are also 10 clubs who have suffered in decreased winning rate after spending a lot of cash. There are also 4 clubs that have 0% increase rate. They stay stable in the competitions. There are only 8 clubs who have point increase, and the other 12 clubs are suffering a decrease in point after spending a lot of cash in the transfer window. So my conclusion is that spending a lot of money in the transfer window cannot guarantee that your club will have an increase in the average winning rate and an increase in points in the following year. As you can see from my results above, there are more clubs who suffer decrease in a point than the clubs that suffer an increase in point. So it concludes that the amount of money you spend don't guarantee you can win more in the next seasons, because other teams can get stronger also year by year. They keep training and working hard to be champions also. And second, there is a decrease in the winning rate of some clubs because maybe some of their key players left the club. They want to find new experience in the country. Lastly, when a player leaves and new players come, there will be an effect of their chemistry. They need to build a new chemistry and stronger chemistry so that they know each other well and how they played in a game. These are the factors why some clubs may suffer a decrease in the point after spending a lot of cash in transfer window. Thank you.